Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be showing you a quick overview on how to unlink your social club account from your Steam Link account. So this will be a quick one. First thing you want to do is go to your Chrome or any engine and then type this on the URL link socialclub.rockstargames.com. It will show you the social club website like so, and then go to the top right corner, go to help, click support, and then wait for it to load. It will show you different options, and click the third one from the list, social club, and then from here click social club account and then click account linking. So basically they will give you a ticket on for you to request the account unlinking. uh, And another thing that you want to do is go to your Steam Link account and then go to your top right corner, click on the account details like so. It will show you your name and your account and your history. What we want to do is copy your Steam ID like that, and then go back to your social club website. And then here on your first entry is basically asking for your nickname, club nickname, or a PSN. And then under the description type something like, I would like to request my social club account to be unlinked uh, from my Steam account, and then type your social club name and then your Steam ID that you have just copied from your Steam account. And then after that, click submit web ticket, or you can upload a picture if you want so, and then they shall contact you for like maybe a month, or they could contact you sooner, but it depends. So that's basically it on how to unlink your social club from your Steam Link account. Thank you for watching.